Hello friends, add 1¼ cups of flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, half a cup of sugar, grab a whisk and mix everything. As you whisk, make light circular motions and reach into the corners of the bowl so no dry patches remain. Whisking well, make sure the baking powder spreads evenly so your topping rises beautifully. Pour in 1 cup or 240 milliliters of milk. Whisk until combined. Today we're baking something truly special. Ever wonder what dessert Grandma used to make back in the 1930s? This vintage recipe for blueberry cobbler is straight from a classic cookbook, promising a taste of simpler times and a comfort food that's easy to make and even easier to enjoy. In a large bowl, add 3 cups or 450 grams of fresh blueberries. Sprinkle over 1/4 cup or 50 grams of sugar. Zest 1 lemon. If you haven't subscribed yet, I'd be so happy for you to join our little community. Your support truly means the world to me. Lemon zest pairs beautifully with blueberries. It brightens their natural sweetness and adds a fresh, citrusy aroma that balances the richness of the cobbler. If you have any questions about the recipe or need any tips, feel free to drop them in the comments. Just a little zest makes the whole dessert taste fresher and more lively. Add it to the blueberries. After zesting the lemon, roll it gently under your palm on the counter. This helps release more juice from it. Then cut it in half. Squeeze the juice from it. The lemon juice adds a gentle tang that balances the sweetness of the sugar and berries. It also enhances the fresh flavor of the fruit, making every bite taste brighter and less heavy. Add to the bowl. Stir gently with a spoon, coating each berry in sugar and lemon without crushing them. Whole berries give that lovely juicy texture once baked. Now, place half of a stick or about 60 grams of butter into your baking dish. Slide the dish into the preheated oven at 360 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius, just until the butter melts. Carefully remove the hot dish from the oven. Pour the batter into the melted butter. Don't stir. The butter will naturally rise around the batter, creating golden, crisp edges as it bakes. Now, spoon the blueberry mixture evenly over the batter. Don't stir or press them down. Just let them rest on top. As the cobbler bakes, the batter will rise up around the berries, wrapping them in a soft golden crust. Return the dish to the oven and bake at 360 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 30 to 35 minutes. When our cobbler is ready, take it out of the oven. Scoop generous portions into a plate. I always enjoy hearing where you're watching from, so let me know in the comments. What country, state, or city are you in today? I love seeing pictures of your cities, and I truly enjoy how you all connect in the comments. Look at those bubbling blueberries and the soft golden crust. Add a scoop of vanilla ice cream on the side if you like. That contrast, warm cobbler and cold ice cream, is pure magic. Take a bite, juicy berries, tender crust, a hint of lemon. If you're enjoying the recipe so far, please don't forget to give this video a like. It really helps my channel grow. This is the kind of dessert that's been loved for generations, and now it's here in your kitchen. Thank you so much for cooking with me today. I hope this blueberry cobbler brings warmth and joy into your home, just like it did for families nearly a century ago. Until next time, happy cooking!